Hello friends, this is Sai Fanendra from SQL School, and this is regarding the upcoming schedules for our Azure Data Engineering course. Live, real-time, practical step-by-step classes from scratch. I assure you 100% practical trainings. Right from the basics of Azure. In our data engineering course, box 5 in our courses menu, we are going to start from the fundamentals. Azure ETL, extract, transform, load, static dynamic ETL activities, data warehouse, data factory, Synapse, data bricks, data lake storage, Internet of Things, IoT, and big data. This data engineering course is planned for 7 weeks, Monday to Friday, and then project work that may take another 2 to 3 weeks based on your practice and comfort on the technology. Either you do the project or take our solution straight to your resume and job work. In our data engineering course, the detailed course curriculum, step by step, we are going to work with various warehousing, big data, analytic platforms. I'm sure you love our service, and I would be the only trainer from Microsoft, from SQL School for Microsoft technologies, and data engineering is one of them. If in case you are looking for other trainings like Power BI, DBA, SQL developer, data analyst, or architect, yes, you may contact us. Coming back to our data engineering, to step into our actual data engineering, firstly, in case you would like to step into data engineering, firstly make sure you learn or revise SQL Server concepts first. Once it is done, the SQL Server concepts, then slowly step into data engineering. You are already aware of SQL Server concepts, simply skip it. Directly step into data engineering. To add more value to your resume, you may do Power BI with us. A 1 month lovely lengthy classes. So data engineer and Power BI put together in our resume wins the match. It's really a wonderful combo, and there is a certification for it, for this data engineering backend, Power BI front end. There is a certification DP 500. It was mentioned in our resume, the DP 500 certification exam. So revise your SQL Server concepts or learn SQL Server first, queries, and then go for data engineering. In our data engineering, you see these concepts. The entire course is divided into 3 modules: data lake storage and stream analytics module, Databricks and PySpark module, and those two are blended together with Data Factory and Synapse module, ETL, Big Data, and CI/CD integrations. No doubt, sessions should be detailed, practical, step by step, complete hands-on, very much useful for your resume, no compromise. With a nice end-to-end project, easy to understand, straightforward concepts. Further details, clarifications for the live demo class, please reach us, call us, or WhatsApp us to any of these numbers you see on the screen. Thank you so much once again. See you soon in our live classes. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.